Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's episode we're going to be working on a BMW. We have a little weird noise coming out of the front tire. Don't know what is wrong with it, but we're going to jack it up, pull the wheel off and find out actually what's going on. Why is it clunking when I'm turning the wheel? So it could be a few different things. I have no idea yet, but when we get to it we'll find out what it is. So stay tuned and keep up with the videos, guys. Found the problem. Let me show you. Which is probably very common for a BMW. As you guys can see, the bottom control arm or torque arm, whatever this is. Right here. So this guy actually, right here is there, and there's a lot of plate. Alright guys, so we're going to put the wheel back on because we don't have the parts. And we're going to go online, select order. Or you know what, we could have done, how about we do the oil change while we're here too. We have a car in the garage. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like. We're gonna have a bad control arm on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and place an order for one, and it should be arriving within the next couple of days. But right now I'm about to go ahead and get the oil change. So as I get the oil change, we have a filter up on top, oil back in the cabinet. So I'm gonna put a jack stand underneath this one, or maybe ramps, jack up the other side so there's a good amount off the ground, and get underneath and get the oil done. Alright guys, we got a jacked up car. The reason I put the ramps like this is just because the jack was over here, so I just flipped them around. I'm going to jack the car up and get them out of there anyways. So this is where the filter is, oil filter. Pull that bad boy out, this way put the oil back here. So put another ramp now, because I got to lay underneath the car, other one stopped rocking off. So instead of putting the jack stands, I just put ramps on there. Alright, so now get my draining pan for the oil. This thing I need. And let's go find out what the brake level is. So you got to crank up the cap from the top. Filter, and about to go to the bottom. Take the screw down. Hope you don't mistake. Oh, already got it loose. So. And I did drive the car, so probably. That's pretty good. The filter out of the way. Let's see if it's just. It should be able to untie by hand. Get it loose, so you can slowly like this. Let's put a rag on there, just like it. Because you will just from there. Just like this. And this is your oil filter. Right here. The BMW, right here on top, easy access. I gotta show you guys something. What a coincidence. This is. So, mount filters. And look at this. That's my home country. I was born in Bosnia, so that's pretty awesome. Caught up to me quickly. Thank you, BMW. All right, so when you get these boxes, you get one of these packets. Open them up nice and slowly. So this one goes on the ring side. Then we have a nut washer. And we have this little green guy that goes right up here. So we gotta place this guy. And we'll pick. If I could find one, that would be nice. So this guy out, pull it off, then your guy back here. So that one is on. Now we gotta change this one. Put a new one on here. There you go. Dust out of here. All right. This is it. All right, guys, so we got a filter back on. So you don't need to over tighten this. Just, I'm using these big pliers and just little, probably quarter-inch turn. Just kind of get it tight and just check later. Make sure you don't have any leaks. And if you do, just tighten a little bit more. But that should be fine. So let's go ahead and work on getting oil inside now. So we gotta get this little ring on this nut. Gotta replace this guy. This guy looks pretty good, but take this old one off. I mean, this old one looks better than the new one. Alright, let's get it down and put this guy on here. That's the one we're going to be using. The Pinto High Performance 5W30. So high mileage, Volkswagen, Mercedes, most of the German vehicles, but it's going to work from BMW as well. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to pour the oil in and all the mess. We have 7 quarts, so let's go ahead and put some oil in there. Alright guys, so we got an oil change done, filter replaced, car is back on the ground. We do need to order that control arm. For now we'll park the car outside and wait for the control arm to arrive. So, but now I have to get her outside and check the oils. Okay, let's just do the accessory mode first. Alright, we got check engine light on. Alright, service due. Alright, check engine light off. Okay, so let's go to options, menu, vehicle information. So, orders, manual, board information, trip computer, vehicle status. So that tire pressure is good. Engine oil level, okay. Oil is okay. Measure the engine level. Start measure. Alright, so the car will accelerate as you do this process, which is normal. It's gonna put pressure to the alright. So our engine level is to the max. So what I did is I did put about 6 3/4 of one of the other quarts, so 6 quarts and 3/4, and it's exactly where it needs to be. It's calling for a 6.9. I don't know, not really sure where 6.9 comes from, but so 6 3/4 quarts, it's to the max. So the level is good. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's gonna help somebody. And I want to thank you guys, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.